Ond diflas ydi defaid. Bedir unig sgwrs gefgarddyd hwy. Mae'r nos yn gyrru asa, trwy redrych a Christmasa, gwrthodw'n cael ein cig i'r munud mwy. Tasen ni ddim yn ffigil yn mae na lawer, o swyddi a hoffer ei gael. Mi freuddwyd yn ni amdani nhw bob nos, a hynny ddiffau. Sa'r masnach wrth ysgol dwi'n neud, a thromedd i gneu ar y camel y ffyrdd, a dwi'n mynd sy'n fynd o gwmpas y fynydd drwy'r nos. Rhan bwysig iawn o'n gwaith yw cyfri defaid, rhan gofnir un o'r tatla fynd am dros. O'r ian y gweithio'n ddysgu, bod hynny'n gwneud i gysgu, sy'n gyrru'r bos drwy y dŵr. Mae iechyd digon ffregus fel y mae hi, oes yn ar y corff am rif o hyd. Does dim byd yn ysmala, ond boen ei bryd am bala, mae reswm dangos eisiau newid byd. Tasen ni ddim yn ffigil yn rhoi na lawer, o swyddi a hoffer ei gael. Mi freuddwyd yn ni amdani nhw bob nos, a hynny ddiffau. Sa'r masnach wrth ysgol dwi'n neud, a thromedd i gneu ar y camel y ffyrdd, a dwi'n mynd sy'n fynd o gwmpas y fynydd drwy'r nos.
Ladies and gentlemen, croeso cynnes i chi i'r digwyddiad mawr yma heddi. Welcome to you all to this exciting day today that we will see 38 years of stanchions being removed. Ers 1975, 1975, these were put up, and I'm glad to say that there are several people among us today in the crowd who are involved with the engineering, the craft. Jean, I don't think are you 38? No. There we are. They have never seen the walls without the stanchions. So today, the first stanchions will be removed in a minute, and then during the next few weeks, the others will be unveiled. By April, the wall will be complete. Felly, cwpl o eiriau o diolchiadau, a few words of thanks to everybody who's been involved throughout the decades, dros y degawdau diwetha I gael gwireddu y datblygiad yma, to see this project take place. The walls initially, but during the next 12 months, the inside area within the walls will be developed for a new visitor attraction and a local community resource for the people of Cardigan and district, i'r ardal I gyd I gael adnoddau ar gyfer y dyfodol. Felly, fel o'n i'n dweud, 75, 1975, and people have been involved really every decade from then, and during the past 10 years, we have seen a group of volunteers, a group of trustees, we have seen funders coming along and making money available, and we'd like to thank the HLF Fund, Heritage Lottery Fund, the European Regional Development Fund through WEFO, the CAT funding, Passover money from a public sector to the voluntary sector, and Cardigan County Council managed to secure the site, and now we have the community running the whole project. Cadw, and also importantly the Town Council. Mae y dre wedi bod yn bwysig iawn I gael hyn wedi digwydd, and Cardigan County Council also. We thank you all. So, what will happen in a few minutes? We will ask the town mayor, Catrin Miles, will cross the road to release the final bolt. Bydd y bochden olaf yn cael ei ryddhau, a wedyn bydd countdown, bydd ni'n countio lawr o 10 I 1, a bydd y cren yn codi y darn cynta I fyny ac I draw i'r trailer. A pan bydd ar y trailer, byddwn ni'n cael hip hip hwre, a wedyn bydd cor cwr ysgol Aberteifi yn canu I ddathlu. Mae'r cwr merched a'r parti bois yn barod. Felly, ar ôl 38 o flynyddoedd, I chi'n barod, after 38 years, are you ready to see it go? Sorry, I didn't quite catch. Are you ready to see it go? Okay, Catherine Miles, will you cross the road and release the final boat? Here she is, waving. Reit e, Catherine. Ymlaen ar gyfer y bollten olaf, the final boat will be released. Catherine is a flamethrower for today. There's the flame of the final boat, and they have to protect people's eyes with a black sheet, but soldering, welding the final bit away, and then we will get the thumbs up. Byddwn ni'n cael y thumbs up pan bydd yr darn olaf wedi dod yn rhydd. Da iawn. A maen nhw'n torri'r darn olaf, the final piece. And of course, health and safety, vitally important. We thank the contractors who've been involved. Andrew Scott, the main contractor, excellent work with the walls and now interior. And Dylan Thomas of Bongdath, diolch yn fawr I Dylan Thomas am y gwaith gyda'r crên. Ac byddwn ni'n codi'r darn olaf mewn eiliad. The final boat will be released, and then the first piece of stanchion will be lifted when we count down from 10. So if you have a chance to talk to those individuals in the crowd who were here 38 years ago, engineers, crane drivers, and the workmen who actually put up the stanchions are here today. And now they're going to knock away the final piece that's holding the stanchion. So these stanchions were put here initially to support the wall whilst the footbridge was being built in 1975. They were a temporary measure as the footbridge foundation needed some work in the rock bed below, and the stanchions were put up as a temporary protection for the walls. So that temporary stanchion survived for 38 years, and today they are starting their descent from the walls. We're glad to say that the work on the walls has been going on over the summer, and there are actual anchors, steel anchors being put into the rock behind the walls to ensure that they are totally safe. I know the keyboard player earlier was playing Joshua and Battle of Jericho. That was not appropriate, but we thank Rhian for her music.